In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone folder names not showing. And yeah, this usually happens because of a simple setting. So let's fix this, step by step. First thing, what you're going to want to do is check your icon size, because this is the main reason folder names disappear. Go ahead and long press on any empty area of your home screen until everything starts to jiggle. Now over here, tap on Edit at the top left. Then tap on Customize. At the bottom, you will see options like Small and Large. If your iPhone is set to large icons, that's the reason your folder names are hidden. So go ahead and switch it to Small. And boom, your folder names will come back instantly. Now just tap anywhere on the screen to save. Alright, now let's say you already did this and still not seeing folder names. Then try this quick refresh. Just restart your iPhone once, because sometimes it's just a small glitch. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, because this feature depends on newer updates. Now, one more thing. If only some folders are missing or acting weird, try removing the folder and creating it again. That usually fixes display bugs. So yeah, in most cases, just switching from large to small icons will solve the issue right away. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. And if it's still not working, tell me your iPhone model and iOS version. I'll help you fix it.